Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a body part. Correct. Number 2 means the one you like the most. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. This is my left hand. This is my left hand. Hand. This is my left hand, and this is my right hand. Correct. My right hand is the other one. Now we can make a flashcard for hand. Other parts are fingers, thumb, palm, and these are called knuckles. Please make a flashcard like this. Right hand up here in the top left corner, H-A-N-D. Down here in the bottom left corner, B-D-Y, 1. This means body, level 1. And over here the number, 13 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Hand. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Is ice cream your favorite food? Is ice cream your favorite food? Favorite. But when we speak quickly, we say favorite. It means, is ice cream the food that you like the most in the whole world? Now we can make a flashcard for favorite. We answer the question like this. In American English, no you, but in British, there is a you. We always teach American English here. Please make a card like this. Write B, favorite, up here in the top left corner, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here, the number 30 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ABC. A, fay, vrit, favorite. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned this is my hand. Correct. And your favorite food is? What is it? Let me know in the comments. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. All the cars and the buses are the traffic with a C. Very nice. Number 2 means special, expensive, fancy. Very good with a Y. And Jennifer works everywhere, but she mainly works from home. If you are new, welcome! You can learn English here. You only need 3 things. This is Level 1, a complete 2-year course. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Today is Saturday, June 21st. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.